Hey guys, I'm Tom from Mr. Poolman. Today, I'm going to cover the Water TechniX swim trainer available from mrpoolman.com.au. The Water TechniX swim trainer is a stationary swimming belt that is perfect for anyone who wants to stay fit, healthy, and enjoys swimming. The simplistic design supplies buoyancy to the lower body and is an excellent option for busy people because it allows you to exercise at home at your own convenience. The Water TechniX swim trainer is easy to use. It helps improve your swim stroke, swimming strength, all while providing a full body workout. Simply take your starting position in the water, extend your arms, kick your legs, and start swimming. The waistband has a soft padded foam lining and utilizes an adjustable Velcro system with durable buckles adjusting from approximately 55 centimeters on the smallest setting up to 110 centimeters on its largest setting. It's comfortable for all users. It has a strong and secure anchor point that is connected to a quality resistance band that is 2 meters long unstretched and up to 4 meters long under load. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, please drop us an email to support@mrpoolman.com.au. I'm Tom, happy swimming.